What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I do my uploads and description for each of my videos, so y'all stay tuned. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so now we're here on my channel so I can show you my upload process and description process. As you can see, pretty much where I am right now. You can see I got some stuff updating right now, so we finna go ahead find a song. I want to make sure one of my songs that I just did actually has a copyright. So when it has a copyright, I can show y'all that process, because you want to make sure, like, whoever you react to, that you give the credit. And guys, this is important, you give that credit and make sure that you put it, like, the copyright disclaimers and all that stuff. So let's see, I don't know, this one should have a copyright, this one should, but we're gonna make sure. So I'm gonna just go to these different ones because they're still uploading. So right now we're just waiting. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all just what I do when it comes to, like, descriptions and all of that, because you really got to make it easy for yourself so you won't have to keep doing all that. So first, just starting with the title. So I did a reaction to a group called Stray Kids, and this was just the recent one I did. So usually I go back to my history of videos that I was watching or reacted to. So here, not gonna let it play because I don't want it to. So what I do right here, I copy and paste, Control C, then I paste the same title right there just so it can find it, but I just put reaction at the end. You might be creative and want to do something else. That's up to you. Usually I put reaction if it's a reaction. Maybe you're a musician, maybe you're a teacher, you want to put musician react, teacher reacts. That would be up to you. But for me, I mean, I don't really give myself a label or anything, so I just say a reaction. But then down here, I use vidIQ, and I'm going to give y'all a video on that as well, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Down here, it got the search term do you want to rank for. So, and with this, it's really just the title, another title. So now when you go and preview it, guess what you get? The Stray Kids, and boom, look who's right there underneath. Your boy, it's your boy. So boom, there that is. And I want to bring this to y'all attention, and it's gonna kind of make something different out of it, but this is what I do right here. Let me go back to this. I actually have to shorten it, but what I put in the description, I actually use it. What my descriptions, I actually already type them up with the artist that I'm using, different things like that, and I put it in there because sometimes when you do certain artists, like certain artists that I do, like Pentatonics, like Angelina Jordan, they are gonna have like certain tags or certain keywords that you just want to use for that video, especially if you know you're gonna do that artist multiple times. And what I do is I went to my notes and I just put them all down here. As you can see, got home free because there's some tags. I know they say tags don't matter, but those tags can still be used as keywords for them to find your videos. Got more said. Scroll down even more. Morgan Wallen, you know, I got some Morgan Wallen videos, so young. So I just put them all in the description just so it can be easier for me to get them when I need it. And another thing too, like recently I haven't been using those because I'm just like, usually that video, whatever video you're doing, it's going to automatically already have, it's going to have tags on there, keywords on there. So what I have, say it right here, it's just this little simple, and really I could have Control V'd it, but just subscribing to our channel, then not on the copyrights, a support link, then my social media, then a copyright disclaimer, and I just go back over here, Control V, and I put that there. Then right here in the part where I do not own this music, I go back to that artist, because you got to give credit. Like if you're going to do reaction, make sure you give credit to where credit is due, because I know you're making it your own, but now you get the opportunity to react and give your input on it. So always bring that traffic that comes to you back to that channel. Then down here, vidIQ has a lot of stuff. As you can see, here are some tags. Or as I put keywords, you can still keywords because they're going to find your video somehow, right? So what I usually do, I go down here in the description and I put a little tag symbol, then I just copy and paste those tags there or keywords. I don't have a playlist for these guys, so I don't have to do that for this group. And then I go back to the tags and boom, bam, I'll just put them there, right? And as you can see, vidIQ, they give you more tags. They might give you tags that you need, but really that video is going to have the tags that you need. Then the category, I put it in music because it is music. It'll be easier to find you. This is my favorite part because a lot of people don't know this, and I have a video on how to dispute your copyright claims, and you might get it, you might not, but it's okay. As long as the video get posted, it's still gonna bring traffic. So what you want to do is come right here to action, and over here, as I mentioned too, I got it saved. See that? Now just copy and paste every time. Make it easier for you, make it quicker to upload your video, such as fair use. Make sure it is transformed. As you can see, I got my own background, I added my own stuff. I even got Motivation Monday thing up there, so I forgot about that. So maybe I forgot to delete that. But as long as it's up there, it's transformed, you can do it for fair use. So then just put your name. Make sure you put your name, not the channel name. You got to put your actual real name on there. Then while that's loading, get that time, because this is pretty much it, like from everything that you need to copy and paste, probably from your notes, because that's a key thing you gotta do and make it go so much faster. Right now it's going slow because I'm explaining, but then of course if you're able to get it in the escrow for your ads. So let me go back. So you see it got monetized because it's escrow, but they still have 30 days to either release that copyright or whatever. And usually, as long as it get escrow, it'll tell you, make sure ad suitable. So you got to submit your rating every time. Then add an end screen. So what I do, I just do this simple. So like my channel and like the most recent, like the most viewed video, the best for viewers video, I just keep that the same every time, because like whatever video is rising up is going to bring you traffic. So whatever video you got like on the come up that's good, it's going to always bring you traffic, even to new viewers that may not know that you did a video on that. And I always like to add a playlist. So this group, I don't know if they're K-pop or not, but I got BTS, which is K-pop. So I want to give them something in their lane with cars. Most people click the card, most people don't. Most people just wait to the end of the video to see that, which is that end screen. Then the next thing I do is skip that. It just schedule out. One of the best things that you can do is schedule out your videos. One thing you do not want to do is get a video and post it right away. Like, have to schedule it out, work ahead. So with this video, it might work overnight for me. So what I'm going to do is post it at 9 o'clock tonight. And right now, it's 9 o'clock in the morning right now for me, but at 9 o'clock at night, that's when this video is going to get posted, because most of the viewers for that video might be up at that time for this type of video. So you can set it as a premiere. All the premiere is going to do is just allow people to see it like ahead of time. It's going to already be on your channel, and people are going to be able to see that, hey, this video is going to be showing tonight. For this is not like, this is a new artist, so I don't know what traffic I'm gonna get with this artist. But as I start picking up traffic and people start expecting it, that's when you want to do a premiere so people can expect to see. But if you're just that guy, like, I can still set premieres and people will probably still want to, they'll still be excited that I'm posting, because you got to be consistent. People want to see you post. But when it comes to your uploads and description, you want to make it easy. So this shouldn't take you long at all. Because right now, this video I'm just doing is 9 minutes right now. But it don't take me that long. Like, I posted a lot of videos for December, and the descriptions didn't take me long at all. And that's because I already had stuff in my notes where I can save it and do those different things. So that's what you want to make sure you do. Make sure you make it easy for you to add the description, because most of them are going to be the same. And for this channel, I keep it the same. Sometimes, like, and let me show y'all. We'll go ahead and schedule that, publish it, because it's posting tonight. So I got time to make that thumbnail for later. But let me show y'all something. So if you go to content, I'm going to go to this video right here. Go to the details. So usually what I can do too, especially if I got my completes on the side right here. So for instance, I did a voice play video. Now I just went to a voice play video I already did. I can copy, or let me select all, Control C to copy. And I got another voice play video that I just did. Now I can just copy and paste that description there and just delete that, because now with those same tags, the same tags might be voice play. I might have the same voice play tags. Then now go back to my history and go find voice play right here. Not gonna play it because I don't want to get copyrighted this video. Now I'm just going, boom, Control C, copy that title. See, now I don't have to open my notes, but I probably would still, just because it's a copyright. Boom. Like I mentioned, I'm just doing a reaction. Boom. Right at 100, because you want to fill that in. Now you want to see what you want to rank for. Control V, because you still got the title. You want to always put your title in there. Like I said, I'm going to do a video on vidIQ, because that is so important. I feel like vidIQ really does its job when it comes to that, like, no lie. Then go down here, tags, make sure you get everything just from that video. And this is just me doing my reactions, because the video is already made. Maybe you got a title or something like that that's similar to somebody else, and now you can possibly take your competitor's title and use it, because it's still your own. Like, everybody is not entitled to everything, you know. So maybe that title works for you as well, because it brought that person a lot of traffic. It can bring you a lot of traffic. So boom, bam, change that to music right there. Real simple, real easy. That's how you get some descriptions. Like I said, I'm gonna still have to open my to do this for the copyrights. But guys, you gotta make it simple, make it easy for yourself, so you can be able to push out more and get it done. Like, you know what type of videos that you're gonna do. That's why everybody talks about, every YouTube expert talk about niching down and doing what you need to do. Like, you can make this process so simple, so easy for you to be able to do more, especially if you're your own photographer, if you're your own videographer, if you're your own editor and all. If you wear all those hats, like, you got to make it easier for you, so you won't get drained out, so you won't be wandering and now in your mind. Like, you really got to make it simple, make it easy, work smarter, not harder for yourself. But guys, that's all I have for this video. Make sure y'all, hit the subscribe button. Comment below if you have any questions. Comment below. You can contact me on Instagram, Twitter. Let me know the questions that you have. I'm just showing you my upload and description process, because maybe this might help you make your description process simpler. Because I know some people have a lot to say, and sometimes you don't even have to say a lot, because you're already gonna say what needs to be said in the video. You just got to make sure you have the key, the keywords. And look, I got the thumbnail. I made that one yesterday, so I got the thumbnail and stuff. So you just got to catch people's attention, because people are going to watch the video. Then while they're watching the video, if it interests them, that's when they're going to look in the description. Like, they don't click on the video and go straight to the description. That's later, once they see that you're providing what they're needing. So, but that's all I have, guys. Y'all, I'm in the process to show you the process. This is my process, so I hope this was very helpful. But y'all be blessed, be the best, and be you. I'm out.